Thunder is wild behind me right now. A start activity, and my activity I'm gonna choose is here is Bayshore Fitness Trail. Okay, Todas. Número uno es aquí. Es mi favorito.
Back and I'm better than ever.
Well, guys, welcome to the Becker House.
Go here. Ready? Right here. Go here. I didn't know. I just figured it out. Like that. Some Akon on or something to match the rain. When it rains. What's that song by Akon? Okay. Going back. I should just make this a vlog. Running away from the storm. Getting tortured by the rain right now. I'm running back to my truck. And I just ran 1.8 miles. Whoa, and I'm about to run 1.8 more. And that's where I'm heading, is back home. And the storm's about to get me. It's raining right now. So wish me luck. If I'm dead, then hopefully this video means well. Oh, look at this beauty, huh? I thought this would be good for my personal channel. So let me finishing it off here. I had a great workout today. It was amazing. Better turn this music off so I don't get in trouble. Holy moly! Woo! That storm, man. Yo, 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 yo! Storm chasers! And like me, I don't have my mic because it's broken, so hopefully you can hear me. I'm yelling. Ah! This is my shower. I got a bunch of more videos to come about Tampa, so make sure you stay tuned. If I survive, I promise you, I'm not on drugs. I just got done exercising, and that's why I've got so much energy. And I'm gonna be stoked by the time I get to my truck. Holy moly! Woo! Holy shit! We've waited for! I'm gonna run a little bit faster, and hopefully I can get cover. Way! Way! Ooh. I love this area. I love Florida. I love being in the rain too. Mine might not get sick. Just kidding. My body immune to sickness. Holy! I knew it would come. Thought I would make it in time, but I guess not. If you look way over there, you'll see there's still some clear skies. I am the news reporter of the weather, or the weather reporter. What the frick do you call them? I don't know. As you can tell, this is where I was earlier. I'm sure you guys saw that video. Ooh. And make sure you stayed and walked. I'm not trying not to get run over here. Cross the street! Yeah, baby! Let's go! Ah! Oh. Well, at least I'm getting a shower. I could come underneath there and rest. Can't see it as we're some homeless folks stay. Nice bridge over here. Yeah, you can see me from behind. Oh! Yeah. Good to see there's a biker trying to get home behind me. There you go, she goes. She's gonna get wet. And there's a bro over here hiding from the storm. How you doing? He's doing fine. He's nice and dry. Yep. Here's Tampa for you. At least Tampa Bay, right in the Bay Area. Here's the hospital. And we are definitely getting wet tonight. Or this evening, that is. Oh yeah. Woo! Holy! That thunder. You know what that means. Torture. It's probably all wet, but hey, it's a good for the video if it's wet right now. Yeah, I'm gonna go this way. This will be my thumbnail. Woo! Sorry if the sound isn't too good. My mic kind of broke on me. I know what's wrong with it. Oh, okay. It's good over here. Right underneath here. Holy son of a gun. I was not expecting this. They're gonna stop for me right here. Boom. Yeah. Holy cow, it is splashing right on my dang face. Hopefully it's not salt water, so my camera should be good. Yeah, this is it. This is the end of the business. This is where nobody is telling me nothing. Holy shit. It is so much harder now. Oh, right on my face. This is grit. This is worse. I should just make this a whole video of itself in my fitness one too. Because this is the type of stuff you can't be afraid of. You just gotta go out there and be comfortable with the uncomfortable. You see a bunch of people up out here and they're like, holy cow, we're raising bridge. Dang. Good thing I got my everything on that can be wet. Well guys, welcome to the Becker House. Because I tell you, you can't be afraid of anything. Oh, my camera was about to give up on me. My camera keeps dying on me over here. I made it! I'm murdered! Okay, I'm using my phone right now because my other camera gave up on me. Hopefully it still works because goddamn. I got insurance on it, oh well. Okay, it should come back alive, hopefully. I made it. Right now, I literally think I might take a shower. Because I'm soaked. I'm soaked. Take a shower in the rain. It's a little bit better over here, and my car's getting very wet, and I know what to do. All right. A lot of things are getting wet. I need to figure out what I need to do. Whew. Now, that is how you live in Florida. You get soaked, you go for a run, you just hope that you don't die. Okay. Now, that is what I call fun. That is fun, y'all. That is fun. That is fun, y'all. That is fun. I really want to take a shower now. I think the rain might stop. I'm gonna actually wipe myself down with some soap. I need to find my bag. There we go. Gonna do this right now. I am the crazy Florida man, that is for sure. I know the quality is not good, but bear with me. All right, here we go. I'm gonna use a rag though. Where did I put that rag? Where did I put that rag, Johnny? Where did I put that rag? There we go. I'm gonna use some of this water to get it soaked. You know what? I can't put my phone out here though, because it's gonna get wet. You know what though? But we can do this. Let me see what we can do. Let's go. What you do? Oh, I'm gonna take this. And we're gonna go like this, because I gotta protect the good stuff in here. Just getting this all wet. See, the inside of here is good. I just don't want this stuff to get wet in my car. We're good to be open. We are open for business. Just can't have this stuff be getting wet. I'm gonna literally shower right now. I'm literally gonna shower in the rain. I know, you're probably like, you're gonna get sick. Trust me, y'all. I'm immune, baby. I'm immune. Showering in the Publix parking lot. That's gonna be the title. Hey! Hey! Hopefully this video is up, right? It's coming harder now. It's coming harder! It's coming harder! I did bring clothes, guys. I know. I did bring clothes. There's a lot of doofuses. I'm a doofus. I know. Now I'm just gonna let the rain rinse me off. I'm gonna close this door, so see y'all in a second. Ah! I am done. So I actually went on under a building roof line, and then the rain was falling, and that's how I rinsed myself off. So I'm done now. I took a nice shower after my run. I need to clean my face separately though, but I did do my body. I'm done now. I am warming up my food right now, and I'm gonna be heading out for the day. Being done, going home. Ooh. Holy cow, that was fun. That was a fun day. Got done with work, and my eyes is very, very red because of the face product stuff I put on. It's falling down my face in sweat. Mix of sweat and everything. I might die, y'all. I might die. Okay, that's it. Always remember to smile. Peace, peace, peace. Come back for more videos. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. Do whatever you need to do to make these videos happen. This is my life, y'all. If you enjoy it, see you next time.